The eRapta ACT501 Backup Camera offers an easy installation process, requiring only 2 minutes to set up thanks to its strong magnetic base. With a 9600 milliampere-hour rechargeable battery, this camera system provides long-lasting performance without the need for additional power sources. The upgraded digital signal chip ensures a stable and reliable connection with an effective transmission range of up to 40 feet on vehicles. Its high-definition 1080p image quality combined with infrared night vision delivers clear visuals of license plates, street signs, and pedestrians even in low-light conditions. The camera is designed to withstand harsh weather conditions with its IP69K waterproof rating and can operate in temperatures ranging from -6 degrees Fahrenheit to 151 degrees Fahrenheit. Featuring 2 channels and parking lines, the eRapta ACT501 allows for full screen and split screen viewing, enhancing safety by reducing visual blind spots.